Hey guys, it's me Neshidi, and today I want to show you a quick tour of my desktop. It's an updated video. 3 years ago I made one on my old Mac, and I wanted to make an updated one because I got a new one. I got a MacBook Pro, and yeah, so I was just watching it. And I was like, wow, I haven't used that app in a while, and such and such. So yeah, let's get to it. So here's my desktop. And I thought it was really cool. I love the color. They pop out of my screen, and actually I got this one from a website called Ink Dryer Creative. So let me show you right now. All right, actually I need Ethernet. I should have plugged it in earlier. Sorry about that. Okay, so inkdryercreative.com. Yeah, so they have a daily wallpaper section, and it's really cool. So you can look at the archives, and yeah, you can go through it. They have all different sizes for your Mac, your desktop, your iPad, your iPhone, and all that such. So it's really cool. All right, so let's get back to business. All right, so let's check out the menu bar. Generally, it's been the same. I still use the same row of icons up to here is where it's all standard. You know, I don't. I haven't used the lock recently, but I do still use this because when I'm doing work in the office, I want to lock my laptop. I don't want to really put it to sleep, and I want people touching it, so I use this very a lot. All right, so standard stuff, um, all the way through. So I still use caffeine. For those who don't know, caffeine is an application that allows you to. Sorry, it's weird. That allows you to keep your Mac, awake and prevent it from sleeping or turning off the screen. So especially when you're running on battery life and you're watching a movie, you don't want it to, uh, turn off and interrupt your show. So here's Droppler. I use it because when I'm talking to people on Facebook or Google Talk, and I want to share a quick image, I don't want to go all the way to PhotoBucket, or I don't want to go to, upload to a Facebook album. It's stupid. So you sign in and you drag and drop it, and automatically puts the link to the clipboard. Awesome. So here's Flux. All right, I love Flux. For those of you who watched my Windows desktop video, I explained that Flux, it changes the lighting on your Mac to make sure that at night you don't get that cold blue light because it's really bad for your eyes. So it makes it warmer. And yeah, it's hard to show on the screen because of the video, but check it out. It's ff.lux, and yeah, search on Google and you'll get it. I still use Dropbox heavenly. That's how I keep all my files all synced, and it's all perfect. And they've improved over the years too, which is awesome because they have the camera upload feature. So I use that. I don't even import my photos into iPhoto anymore. I just plug my iPhone, and then boom, I have my photos already Dropbox. My desktop already gets them instantly, and it's perfect. All right, so let's go down to the dock. So starting from left to right, I have Launchpad because I'm running macOS Lion right now. I don't use it as much per se. I mean, going through this right now, it auto populates. I don't even go through it and like try to organize it and stuff like that. But it's cool to have, I guess. I'm not really a fan, to be honest, but whatever. Here's App Store. I do have a lot of apps that I buy from the App Store. It's really useful. Caffeine's actually on there too, so and it's getting more and more popular. Alrighty. So we have FaceTime. Really useful to maybe talk to like my parents overseas, or talk to friends who have iPhones or iPod touches or iPads. Really awesome service. Twitter. I love Twitter, but I don't like their web interface. I think it sucks. I think Twitter just should be lived in independent apps. So there you go. And the official Twitter app is awesome on the Mac. Safari. I always jump between Safari and Chrome. I love Chrome because of the synchronization, but on Macs, I think Chrome just feels the need to tap into the graphics accelerator chip, which drains the battery a lot, and it sucks. So far Safari, it's fine. There's no battery drain. So, and I don't do many complex things. I mean, for Safari, all I have is AdBlock installed. That's all I really need, and Flash is whatever. It's negligible. Alrighty. iChat. I still use iChat for Facebook chat. I think it's way easier than having me logged on Facebook because I'll be, doing whatever, and then I go out the tab, and then my friends are like, "Where did you go?" And I was like, "I'm sorry, I want to check my bank account. Sorry about that. Alrighty, cloud printer. So right now my setup in my on campus is that I have a desktop computer, and that's been taking over my whole desk. So I, instead of keeping my Mac connected to my printer, I have that connected to my desktop at all times. But the thing is, over here we don't really have a sharing service for printing, so I figured I'll just use Google's cloud printing service. It's why not? And I'm using it, and I have to say it's pretty awesome. Here's my desktop with its printers, and I just choose file, and PDF works wonders. So I export everything to PDF and send it. It's a little clunky, but it works really fast, and it's all through the internet. You don't have to be on the local network too. Mail, I still use Mail a lot. It's still the best client there is. It's super fast and Lion, and there you go. I have an iPhone for iTunes, so I have all my library in there, and I still, even though I have my desktop now, I still keep my main library on my MacBook Pro. Alrighty, so I have iCal. I do use it a lot, and the interface is okay, but it still syncs it, and I love using native applications, and I don't really like to use web interfaces, so works wonders. iPhoto, this is where all my photos live. I mean, currently it's kind of out of date because I've been using the camera upload feature of Dropbox, but whatever. Okay, so I have Diablo 3. When I got my PC, I was like, I'm removing Steam on my Mac. It's gone, but I figured like it's new for summer, and I I should, I don't mind having Diablo 3 on both of my um, Mac and PC, because maybe I'll be going out and be like, hey, to a friend's house, you want to play Diablo 3? I'm like, oh sure, yeah, I'm right here, let's do it. So uh, it's very useful, and it's fun. It runs great on the MacBook Pro, by the way, no lag or whatsoever. For all my contacts. Oh yeah, this is really cool. I have a Kindle keyboard, and sometimes I don't really use the Amazon Kindle store to get my books. I have PDFs sometimes to want to read, and this actually converts it to the compatible. It's like iTunes for your Kindle. It's really cool. I was taking a computer visions class, and we needed MATLAB, so there you go. This is really cool. It's allowed you to take some notes, and it all you know syncs it. I haven't used it in a while because I just school's over, so I don't really need to take notes. I usually like to have a notebook, an actual written notebook, but this is cool that it syncs with the iPhone. So yeah, this is great. I love it. It's a simple text editor. I use that over text edit. I don't even I use this to like take simple like notes sometimes, or memos, and then I also use it to edit code. Oh, Pages. I love Pages. It's Word has its uses. I love using Word for documents and writing reports, but Pages is so elegant and easy, especially when I want to incorporate images in my flyer or whatever. I just drag it in. I could like move it around, and it doesn't ask you, hey, do you want it inline? Do you want it floating? It just knows that you just want it to wrap around. It just knows automatically, and that's helpful. Also, it has a great image editing features where you get a dynamically set the transparency of the image and makes it look like it's really professional and blended in. Okay, then we have Terminal, and Terminal, I'm a developer, and I also I'm a computer science major, so I'm really interested in the tidbits, and it's good having Terminal out there. Just yeah. All right, here's Onyx. Good maintenance software for Mac. I think everyone should have it. It's definitely one that lets you clean up your Mac in one click. It has other hidden features that lets you turn off like, hidden preferences, but I really don't mess with those. I let it be. Oh, when I had Windows, I had this here. Let me remove it. Whatever, it's gone. Okay. I didn't think I want to clutter this, so I was like, I'll just leave it all here. So yeah, this is Microsoft Word 2011. Home folder, Dropbox, documents, downloads, and that's about it. So yeah, there you go. There is my Mac in general. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message or leave it in a comment. It's really simple. It's not like crazy like some people. I don't use a lot of stuff. I do have dashboard. I mean, dashboards here, but to be honest, I don't use that either. As you can see, it just started up. I keep forgetting I have it. Yeah, it's not really. I just use my Mac to, I go online, get something, I write reports on it, I do presentations on it. Um, but I do know how to, keep it maintained. I don't like a cluttered desktop, basically. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you. I hope you found apps out there you didn't know of. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.